Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, this is what I'll be using for the adjuster. So as you can see, this part has gum stay on it while the other part does not. So you bring them together, you thread on it. Thread on it. I'll be using 5 inches for it because I don't want it to be too long. Alright, when you get here, you double stitch it, make a space, then continue threading. You'll be turning from that place, that is why you have to make that space. So this is it. This is the outcome. So I'll be removing the gum. I'll be removing the gum stay from here. Then before turning, so you turn from here. So as you can see, this is where I'm turning from. This is the essence of that space we left earlier. So you can decide to use your hemming gum to iron it, or you thread on it. So you do the same on the other parts because we'll be needing 2 for each part. So you do the same here. So after that, you iron it. So this is the outcome. So this is how you use it now. This is how you use it. You put it here, then you bring it out from this hook. So you thread all the way through. So this is it, you thread all the way around. So alright, so the next thing we do is to place it on the trouser. So that is where we'll be using it. So we'll be placing it in between this line. That's where we'll be placing the adjuster. That's where we're placing the adjuster. So thread round all through. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So place the second part. So guys, this is how it looks like. You can try it out on your own and let me know in the comment section. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, share this video, like this video, share to a friend. Thank you guys. Bye.